Hello all, I am Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning challenges. Today we are going to see Explore Reading with Beginning Readers. Yeah, who exactly are these beginning readers? These are the kids around 6 years of age who already have started reading independently. They know many letters, they know many words, and they want to explore reading by themselves. For this age group, what can we do? How can we make reading interesting to them? So my simple mantra for these kids is practice, patience, practice. These kids need lot of practice. They want to try those words again and again. They want to read those books again and again because they want to be independent, and that raises their self-confidence also. Patience is especially with us, with parents and teachers, because they have just started reading and they will have little difficulties or they will little stop for the words. And please don't rush, spoil their interest also. Let the kids start trying it. Let they actually try what is it. They will become more confident in this manner. So we have to give them lots and lots of practice. If you are correcting them, do gently correct them. Don't keep on saying that this is wrong, this is wrong. Also appreciate whenever they do it correctly. Praise their efforts. Praise if they just read one single page or one simple full paragraph if they are reading on their own. Please praise them. You can also model by showing your finger when you are reading along with the words so that the kid actually sees where the word is and they will also start reading it. Then they like to repeat a lot. They want to read the book same again and again because they already know few words, so they want to repeat again and again. Let them enjoy it. Let them read again and again. But slowly introduce other new books also. How to introduce a new book for them? Since they already know many words, we don't want to stop with alphabet books or very small word books. We just want them to take to the next level. So what books can we introduce to them? There is one simple rule for here. If you are taking any book, any kid's book and seeing them, and if you open the page and you are seeing difficult words which the kid cannot pronounce or cannot understand it, if there are more than 5 words in a single page, start counting it. You just take any page and see if there are more than 5 words which the kid cannot count, then that book is not suitable for independent reading. The book should always contain words the kid already knows, but with little extra words or little difficult words which we actually help it, so the kid also develops interest in reading the book. So always follow this rule when buying any book for your kid. Then check out their interest. Interests are very important thing, and with this age group kids, definitely check out their interest. If they are into sports, if they are into cartoons, if suppose they are into sports, buy a book according to their interest, to the sports, whichever sport they like. You could buy story books along with that, or about that person, any famous sports person. If they are interested in the cartoons, suppose your kid is interested in a Peppa Pig cartoon, you can buy books for Peppa Pig so that the kid automatically starts reading it. If the kid is interested with the Minecraft game, buy books for Minecraft gaming. The kid will definitely take the book and start reading it also. Then start introducing them to decodable books. What are actually called decodable books? These books have letters which the kid already knows. The letter sound relationships for the letters which the kid already knows are only there in decodable books. We could buy leveled books for decodable books so that the kid actually can read the entire book by themselves. It will boost their self-confidence also. Then introduce them to variety of vocabulary games. You could start with crossword games. You can make own crosswords for your kids. It is a customized crossword for your kid. Just take their friends' names and make a crossword puzzle with it. They will be interested to do that crossword. Then start introducing slowly to other games word games like the word train. The word train is a simple game where we say one word. If suppose I am saying a small word like sit, the kid has to start a word saying with T. The kid can say talk. Then you again say with P. any word starting with P. So this word train can be continued just with a parent and a kid, or the whole family members, or with their friends also. It will become a fun activity, and they are also learning to read, and they are exploring many words also in these games. Then you can use games like Scrabble, Hangman, where they have variety of vocabulary introduced to their level and their interest also. So these are main vocabulary games. This is the correct age for them to be introduced, because they know few letters and few words, and we could actually use that to make them enjoy reading also. So for this age group kids, my recommendations for books would be Ladybird books. They come across various levels. You can actually start selecting the level which your kid would be interested. Then you could go to the next levels also. They are simple books to begin with. Then Bob books, they are the decodable readers. Then Dr. Seuss books. Dr. Seuss books actually contain very simple words where the kid enjoys reading. So buy Dr. Seuss books also. Then learning apps for this age group, Homer, Epic app would be very much interesting. Then there is one more small tip. While the kid is watching cartoon, you could just mute off the sound. You can ask the kid to read the subtitles. You can help with the kid also, because they already would have seen that cartoon many times. They will feel it very easy because they know all the character names and they know what the storyline is also. They can start reading along with you. You could teach them also while they are watching cartoons. This is a fun and interesting activity where they actually read also. So reading need not be confined only to books. You can explore reading in all these varieties also. Let the kid enjoy reading. Reading is fun. Thank you.